Greetings guys and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Today we got our very first Jurassic World Chaos Theory. We have it right now. Here we are, the wind just blew it. There you go, our Ben escape pack. And Darius is coming I believe Thursday. We have it ordered already, but this is the first one we found at Target today. Here you go, it is a 3-pack, actually 4 because of the weapon. And Darius comes with 3 dinosaurs, I believe, and his net. And meanwhile, we have Ben here, comes with 2 dinosaurs. We have a Atrociraptor tiger and a Dilophosaurus. So, we're gonna compare to this. I'm not sure if this is Tiger from Dominion. It is a Walmart exclusive, has the extreme damage right there. You click that, there's the scan DNA. And we're gonna compare to a Dominion. This one came with Claire as a 2-pack back 2 years ago when Dominion came out. And we also have from the original Jurassic World, Dilophosaurus, excuse me. It's pretty much the same model. It has no articulation. The mouth does not close at all, except for just flippers here, they move. Yep. So there you go. So let's unbox this new Chaos Theory here. Alright guys, excited. Our very first Chaos Theory. Okay, let's check it out. While I'm unboxing this, I'd like to say thank you for the non-stop support. Thanks for watching our videos. Sephiroth and Cypher, I appreciate it. We appreciate you guys. Alright, here it is. Alright, let's put our box there. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow it again. Oh boy. Okay. Let's take out the Atrociraptor first. There you go. This seems like a better color now than the original. There you go. Another Atrociraptor on our collection. Yep. There's our DNA scan. I'm sure it's not ready yet. We have to update the app, the Play Store. The eyes, the painting in the eye looks really good. Mattel didn't mess that up. It's really nice. Let's the mouth. Looks good. We can't wait for the rest to come. Alright, now we check Ben. Bring him out. Okay. He's got his beanie right there. Let's take out his gun. We call this assault rifle. How does he use this? Let's check the box. Oh, I see. So, like that. Goodness. Oh, wow. How do I put this in? Sephiroth and Cypher are busy upstairs with their tablets. Just playing games right there. They just got back from school. Okay, I can't do it. Okay, now time for the Dilophosaurus. Let this come off. Yep, it comes off. His spitty gooey thingy. So let's check the difference on the Dominion. You can see the head crest right there. It's red, but this one didn't color it anymore. There we go. Change the contrast on that. The color scheme almost the same, but different colors on their flipper. Their whatever you call this thing, it's different. Tail's different. There's like similarities in it, but yeah, there's some difference in it. Cannot close the mouth again. It's only meant for display. There's the DNA scan. So yeah. There you go. Alright. What else would we miss? Okay. Did we miss anything? No, that's it. So yeah. There's no extra stuff here. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for today then. Our first Chaos Theory video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, guys. You guys have a good one. We'll see you in the next video. Okay? We'll go to that custom hybrid. It's already done. I just finished it today. Yep. We'll see you in the next 2 days. Alright, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye now.